Let's install wxWidgets. So these are the steps actually. So first go to CodeBlocks. First install the CodeBlocks. Go to this web page. So CodeBlock. Go to this particular binary. So it has integrated min GW setup. So click here and download it and install that binary. So it is straightforward. So once you install, set the environment variable to include this path, because the min GW bin binaries are available in this path. So env path edit. So I have already added this one. So in the same way you can add it. Okay. Now go to widgets side and download the source of the widget. So this is the latest one. Download the source using this zip. So this source will not have we will not have all the libraries. So we need to build it. We need to make and build it. So click here and download. Uh, Create one directory in C colon and then extract it there. So for example, in my case, I have created this directory and I extracted that whole thing in this. Okay, so now if you go inside this one and check, you will see there are no libraries because we haven't built it. And now go to this particular directory and do command prompt cd, yes, command prompt, open it, cd to this one, because this is where we installed, we extracted the wxWidget. So here you run this commands. You can run either the debug version, this one, or release version, this one. Just run this one there. So once that is done, it will take nearly 1 hour to compile, completely build. So after that, you will see the binaries of libraries. So those libraries will be created here in this. So once that is done, you open the. We need to do the setup in the code block about the paths for the libraries. Okay. Go to settings, open the code blocks, go to settings, global variable, create new, click new, and give the path. This is the path of our extracted wxWidget. So this is the include path. Just give the complete path. Then this is where the library, this is the lib path. Give all these things. Then one more thing is go to compiler and then go to linker. So this path, these two things you add, complete paths where these two libraries are, because these libraries are generated after creating, after doing the make file. So after running the make file, so give this path, same path directory, you give it search path in the search directories. That's it. So after that, the last step, this one, open this particular file, which is part of the wxWidget. Then go to line number 159 and comment this one. This is not the complete path. Comment that and add this particular include. So this is complete path. This is where the setup.h is. Okay, add this one. So that's what is done. 159. 159. See here, it is commented. sorry, it is commented here, and I added this one. Save this and close it. Now go to uh, CodeBlock and then create some project. uh, Select wxWidget, go here. Next, select the latest one. Give some project name, test 6 something. Enter. None. Here, check fine. Create it. Oh, okay, this is fine. Yes, yes. So, this it will create an example program. So just build it. Some error is there. It cannot find this particular one. Okay, this library. So cannot find 31. It is saying actually we have built 32. Since we created the release version, so because we ran the release version right here, here I ran the release version, this one. So it has created the release version. So you should go and select here release. Okay. So make sure the build options. Okay, here you make it 32. Search directory also provide the complete path. See here, you can add it and provide this. Okay, okay. Now you build it. Make sure it is released. Okay. Now you build it. Yeah, done. Now run it. See some example program. This is a program. That's it.